Hello everyone, am I audible? Show your thumbs up if you all can hear me. I can see a bright smile and excitement in your smile. On your faces, I can see excitement because yes, I know you all are super excited to learn Teacher's Day special card. Yes, Hannah, that's why I can see a big smile on everyone's face. And yes, you all are ready with your material. Yes, so today we will learn a beautiful Teacher's Day special card. Okay, so chalo, without delay, let's get started. With smile, you will see your card will look very lively, very beautiful. I will give you full view. Just a minute so that you can see the complete picture beautifully. A scissors is kept because scissors is needed, but those who are not able to handle scissors, they can even avoid and ignore use of scissors or scissors also. The card is going to be of the kind that if you are comfortable with scissors, you can use it. Otherwise, you can simply draw and color and create a beautiful card. Yes. So here you can see on screen A4 size paper. And if you don't have this kind of separate sheet, you will have to remove it from your book, है ना? Because we want this kind of A4 size sheet. Come on, take it out. If है ना, वो drawing sheet only we need. ठीक है? Come on, take it out. Okay. And here I will keep my scissors on one side. And first we will learn some folds of it. Okay? So yeah, we need to make some very simple but beautiful folds so that our card will look amazing. So one paper you will have to remove out of your from your paper. If you don't have this kind of separate sheet, very carefully you cut it off and take it out. And I want to know that how many of you are attending this class for the first time? Show your thumbs up. Yes, all my new creative students, a big welcome to our family. I'm very thankful and grateful to Almighty God that our family is increasing and expanding day by day, and cute little creative artists from all over the world, they are getting connected with us. A big welcome to this Arjo family. Okay, chalo, let's get started. A beautiful but very simple card. We need scale also today. है ना? And our card will now, as you're making Teachers Day special card, है ना? तो teacher like teacher is teaching us. We are learning from teachers, but with help of what? है ना? That is pencil. So this card will look like a pencil. ठीक है? Its complete look is going to be like pencil. So how to create that? This is going to be our learning, and this pencil kind of card is going to look very amazing. ठीक है? Ready? Now what you will do, see how to fold your paper. Very carefully see. You should not press your paper immediately. First, you will decide that all the corners should fall on each other. So very carefully, you will see that corners will, shall fall on each other. Hold it tight and then press it down. Okay? Take deep impression. So your corner to corner, you will connect. Then you will hold it tight from here, and then you will make this, and this ways you will get two folds. You can see this crease in center. Yes, you will find this kind of crease in center. Okay. Now after this, you will start with the, yeah. After this, all of you fold it. What you will do first you will decide that this line should come on exactly this line. Corner should come on corner. You will place first, you will hold it, and then you will press. And this is the way you should fold your paper and press it nicely so that you will get a deep impression, deep crease here, and then you will open. And today's artwork is having a story. Yes, and a Teacher's Day special artwork. So today I'm going to share the story of um, a disciple of Guruji who was very weak at studies. And when he was trying to learn something, he was not able to memorize. Although other students, they were very bright in this field, they were able to memorize things very easily. But this child was not able to. Okay? Yes. Fold it. Yes. And keep your brush pens ready because maximum use of brush pens we are going to do. Okay? Done? Can I check the work? Show me, lift up your paper and show yours. Yes, so this way is I divided my paper in two cards. Okay? All of you, and show your thumb down, those who want me to wait for a little time. Okay, very good. And place it on surface. And if you will try to do it in hand, it will not come neat. Place it on paper table. And place your paper on table, and on table you do this. Okay, position, the posture. And like when you sit for studies, so sitting straight, when you sit straight, your spine is straight and it helps you memorizing the artwork. And because the energy moves straight. That's why when we pray, we simply close eyes, close hands, and we stand straight so that energy can flow directly. So yes, when you're doing this kind of craft or folding work, make sure you will not do it in hand. Place it on a surface on your table and then do. Now see, we have this middle line. है ना? Now what you will do, this middle line, now I will fold it here. So again, my line should come on this line and I will fold here. Nicely, I will fold here. Come on. Now you will come on center. You can see this is my center line. I will do one thing. I'll make a line in center. You don't make. Anna, this is just to make you understand that this is my center line where I'm making. See, this is my center line. But now your paper, you're going to fold till here. And from this side also, you will fold from here. So what will happen? You will find kind of door from both the side. So we took first fold, which so it gave us center line. And now from to see this is looking like a gate, door. Can you see? It can open this way. Come on, make it this way. The look of a card will be of this kind. And then we need scale. Not now, and I will fold it. We will do it together. Take it. Okay, come on, do this. What I did, I will repeat. First, I took my paper and folded double. Then I found this middle crease. Then both the sides I fold till center. And this is the only fold which we need in our card. Okay, it should open like a door and place it on a surface. And first place the corners, the lines on each other, and then press it nicely to get a deep impression. Okay, and as you're making card, always try to use thick paper. Okay, thick paper will give you better output. And yes, upcoming Teachers Day, please try to gift a plant to your teacher. Like this card you are making, you can give it to your class teacher or a favorite teacher, but rest, please try to gift a plant. And if you want to make a beautiful basket gift planter, please visit our Ardio shop or go my YouTube channel with with waste cold drink bottle and Bisleri bottle. I taught that in a very simple way, you can make a beautiful planter basket, very presentable, very beautiful, in which you can grow saplings. And please gift a plant this time. This ways. So what will happen then this also I will tell you, and the story also I will continue. Come on, do this and press it nicely so that you will get deep impression on both the sides. Take it? Yeah. So you will find your card open this ways from center. Come on, do this. I'll wait so that with your small hands, those who are doing with those who are left behind, they can also do. Colorful background will help you understanding it better ways. Now, all of you show your work. I'll check it. Yes, show me. Perfect. Now we need a scale. Okay, come on, take your scale and see. This is your bottom now. You will come slightly. You like first keep your scale like this. You can take your small scale also. You will be more comfortable. Please ignore this color on my scale. You know, my scales you will always find colorful. Now you will drag it little upper side straight and you will mark your points on both the side. Okay, so we will mark 2 points in front of each other. Okay, with scale. Okay, with scale, you will place it nicely. Come on, do this. And we have this point. 1, 2. If you want to go a little more higher, you can go that ways also. And this is your center point. You know, this is going to, because now we want to give a shape of pencil. You know, this card will look like a pencil. Because as it is Teacher's Day special drawing card, the pencil, pen, globe, this kind of things which are connected with studies. You know, we can use all of them for making it. Okay, come on. So mark 2 points here and 1 point in center. And you can use scale or you can make it freehand as you wish. Now mark it first and now you will connect. You will connect this and here also you will connect it. Connect it. Okay? Where so you will find a V shape. You can either make it freehand or you can use scale. So we are going to make a pencil now and this is actually that point of pencil. Okay? Yes. You can, if you want to make, you can make this line, but make sure you will make your line very light. Don't pressurize your pencil too much because this line we are going to erase afterwards. Okay? So this kind of triangle shape you will find. So I will return back to my story. So this student was not able to memorize. And to all other students, they were making fun of this child. Saying that you are duffer, you are buddhu. But for teacher, like everyone is very special. Teacher believe that everyone is special, everyone is different. But yes, we all are special. So when other students were teasing and this disciple was getting disheartened, the teacher always used to motivate. Don't worry. You will be able to learn everything very soon. Keep revising, keep revising. But the child was not listening. And a revision is having a great role. Whatever you're learning, if you revise on short intervals, what happened? It goes in your subconscious brain and you never forget that particular learning. And so teacher was continuously telling that keep revising. But this child was simply not listening and was not able to understand what is going to happen with revision. Okay, now what you will do, you will mark a point and you can make beak. This is point of your pencil. Come on, make it. Okay? And now we will turn it upside. Come on, do this. So it will look like a crown of pencil. Okay? And now we are going to get started with face of pencil. We will be making big, beautiful eyes. Okay. Now what we will do, we will simply start making lines. So we will take our scale, we will keep it here and see, you will keep it in corner. Come on, do this. You will keep this in corner and I'm using A4 size paper for this. Start making lines. Very carefully now you will keep your scale here. You will start making lines. And this ways on regular intervals, you will start making lines. Okay? Come on. So you will continue this ways and try to see that how many lines you are able to draw. Come on. This ways. Okay? So here you can see you are able to draw this many lines. With scale, you will find proper lines on your pencil. Come on, make it. Okay? So make proper lines and use scale. What will happen? Your lines would be perfect. Okay? Yes. And one more thing we will be doing. You can do one thing. You can turn it this way. You will find the drawing part easy. Okay? So what happened in my story that this disciple was like always left behind, and other disciples were able to learn within 1 hour and the whole lesson within one day. But this uh, disciple was trying to learn but was not able to memorize. And the only suggestion which Guruji was giving was practice, keep practicing, keep practicing. But he was not able to take the words of Guruji sincerely. Even I keep telling you that revise every artwork. And a revision will give you better and deeper understanding. And I suppose you're learning this artwork, this card in class. But the moment you will revise it one more time, you will see you will never ever forget this card. The things will get that wonderfully fixed in your mind. Okay. So revision is very helpful. Whatever you are learning, revise, and practice makes a man perfect. Okay. So Guruji was trying to make this disciple understand this. Let's keep the name Gokarna. Let's keep the name Gokarna. So Guruji was trying to tell Gokarna to understand this, but he was not able to understand it. Okay, now what you will do? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 points. Come on, mark points. You must be thinking. Or do you want a little more time? Show your thumbs up. Those who want me to wait for a little more time. Okay, okay. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Okay, make your lines. I will wait for 2 minutes. I'll take a pause of 2 minutes so that you all could do this much. Okay? Yes. So see, this is going to be the shape of our pencil. And yes, we will be showing that this pencil is holding a heart. So yes, we are going to add so many different lines also. Okay? Yes. And in heart, you're going to write, love you, teacher. Okay? Love you, teacher. Yes, so this ways we will personify our pencil. We will show pencil like a person. Okay? I'll take a pause of 1 minute so that you all could do this much. Okay? Yes, after doing, I'll check the work and then we will move ahead. Okay? Yes. Show me your work. Yes, everyone. Shabash. So with help of scale, you will see that making lines will become very easy for you. Okay? Now these are points. Come on, mark these points. After marking these points, what you will do, you will mark on equal distance, you will mark a line. Okay, equal distance. Why these lines I'm marking? Because we always pre-plan our each and every line. And it's not like we're making our lines randomly. We want to write C. So now we know we will start from this point, it will reach here and it will finish here. It will start from here. So all your C will come on with uniform size. So first decide mark. When you pre-decide your each and every stroke, what happened? Your artwork turned very neat, very clean, and it minimized the use of eraser. So that's what we are going to do. So what we will do, we will make here, this is a small line, so here the C is half, but rest from this point, equal distance. We decided that our C will start here, it will be this much big, it will finish here. This ways, drawing and coloring is all about patience, my dear children. Okay? So whatever you're doing, do with lots of patience. And this is the way you will make this kind of C. Okay, come on, make this C. And as we decided points will give you clear next instructions. And because of points, you will not forget the artwork easily. So many times in your school, you have Teachers' Day special card making competition. You can definitely try this card. Okay. And if you will visit my Art Joe shop and my Art YouTube channel, you will find multiple beautiful and creative ideas of card making available. And a Mother's Day special card I covered up, in that a child is giving a bouquet. And we simply made flowers 3D. And one child is giving a like trophy. On that it's written best mom in the world. You can write best teacher in the world. So they are simply changing words, those artworks, those beautiful cards could be used for making it. Beautiful folds are also there. So if you have any card making competition, you can definitely try it. Now take your eraser. Come on, take your eraser. And very carefully, you will erase this line. This line very carefully. Hold your paper because nicely. Erasing should be done nicely. Okay, so see, this is the way your pencil is ready. How wonderful it is looking, see? Okay. And we will make our card this way. So what will happen? It will look like a crown of pencil. Okay. So now the shape of pencil is ready. But yes, we want to add one more thing, and that is heart. And now this pencil is holding heart. Okay. But before this, we will make eyes. Okay. So we will make eyes, and for that, we will make two big circles. So Guruji was able to see that all other disciples, this like in front of Guruji, nobody was courageous enough to do so. But after when Guruji, in absence of Guruji, they were teasing Gokarn, and this was resulting in like Gokarn was losing confidence. And then all teachers, they always take very good care of all the students. So Guruji was also a little worried about. So what Guruji started doing, Guruji started sending Gokarn hand over the duty, the responsibility of filling water from well. And he was sending him every time to well to get water. And how many of you have seen well? Have you ever seen well? Show your thumbs up. Okay, there are so many, they have not seen even well. So when you visit some place and if you are able to see well, please try to see, because okay. Okay, now I'm going to make eyes. Turn your paper upside down. Show me now. Lift up your paper card and show me. Perfect. Very good. Now keep it this way. The pointed part upper side. And now you're going to make eyes. So you will be making eyes, this middle here, this side and this side. You will make eyes. You can make it freehand or you can use on equal distance of the center line. The center line we have now. So from equal distance, you will make eyes and try to keep your eyes equal. One big, one small. No, not this way. Make eyes. We will show this pencil like a person. So you will make eyes on equal distance from center. Don't forget to make a big and a small circle, a big and a small circle. Okay, we will make beautiful big eyes of pencil, a cute, lovely smile of pencil. Come on, make eyes. Those who are having stencil, they can use stencil. If you have any object, you can use it. Otherwise, this is a small circle. You can try it freehand also. So when Guruji realized that Gokarn is not listening to the instructions of teacher and continuously losing confidence as other students in absence of Guruji, they are teasing. So Guruji told that in Gurukul, students have to do all different works. But now the only responsibility given to Gokarn was filling water from well. Well is like a big kind of container. I don't know those students who have not seen well how to explain. Because the story is completely around well only. So there are very deep pit is dig, है ना, गहरा गड्ढा होता है which is nicely covered from inside with stones, and it is filled with water. And upper side on the earth, all around a wall has been created of stones, है ना? And with rope, how to fill water? With rope, we fill water. We simply tie any bucket with rope, okay, and then simply throw this rope inside water, and we drag, we pull it out, okay. So this well from where Gokarn was bringing water. Now you will make eyelashes. Let's complete eyes first. Eyelashes, eyelashes, and eyebrows. Don't forget to make eyebrows. And we will make a cute little smile. Okay, chalo, let's make a cute little smile here. So very carefully in center, this fold we have now, center you will use for making smile. Okay? You will make your smile in center. So this is the way you will complete eyes. And now we will show this pencil is holding heart and saying thank you teachers. Okay? So yes. And inside also you will write thank you teachers. Okay? In heart, if you want to write something else, you are best teacher in the world, and a best teacher, or I love you a lot, you teach very easily, or any shairi you want to write. And inside this card, if you want to write Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, you can write this shloka. It's amazing shlok for Teachers Day. And you can make 2 lines. And I want to check it. Will you please lift up files and show how it is done? The card, yes, I'll take a pause so that you all could do this much. And we will keep smile very close to eyes because we want space for making heart. And so that's why we will make smile very close to eyes. And in heart, we want to write thank you teachers, or happy Teachers Day. So we need enough space lower side. So as this child was coming to well, and well used to be, see this well is of this kind. And you can see this, the outer portion of well is of this kind. These are walls. And what happened? We simply throw bucket inside and then we drag. So that rope was dragging against this wall. Okay. When he was taking out water, so that wall, well is exactly of this kind outside. And here inside it's a deep hole, है ना, एक बहुत गहरा गड्ढा होता है जिसमें पानी भरा होता है, और जमीन के बाहर बिल्कुल ऐसा इसका स्ट्रक्चर होता है, और यहाँ से बाल्टी रस्सी से बांध के अंदर डाल दी जाती है, एंड देन वी ड्रैग, है ना, वी सिंपली थ्रो बकेट which is tied with rope and simply then we pull. So what happened, that rope, it dragged against it, है ना, because rope is here, it will it against it. So yes, after this you will mark a point here. Come on, mark a point here in center. You can come slightly down, and this is a point below. Okay, you can mark. Done, everyone? Have you done this much? Yes. So you will mark a point in center, 1 point exactly below. And now what you will do, equal distance. Equal distance, you will mark a point here, 1 point here. Try to keep the distance equal. Okay? Come on. So I will keep it equal and I will make heart shape. 3 I will write. Okay? I will make a heart and I will show this pencil is holding this heart and want to say, thank you teachers for everything you did. Thanks for being guideline, of my life. Thanks for giving me the knowledge of light of knowledge. Okay? So you will make 3 points. 1 in center, 1 this side, and you're going to write C and C. It's looking like 3, number 3, and downwards. 3, we are making a heart, and we will simply show this pencil is holding it. Okay? So you will make 3. And if you feel you want to make your heart in corner, you can do that ways also. But in center, it will look great. Okay? And now this is the center point. You will connect it with help of V. But your V should not be straight. It should be round. It should be round. This ways you will find a heart shape. Come on, draw one heart shape. So what I did, a 3, then this was center, I took a point in exactly below, and then I draw 3, and this is V, but the sides of V, they are quite curved. Okay, this is the way you will do. Try to erase all the lines, hold it tight, and hold your the point tight, otherwise your paper will keep moving, and very carefully you will erase the lines. Very carefully, hold your paper first nicely, and then erase your line. That's why I always prefer using blunt pencil. Always use blunt pencil for this. Okay? Yeah. See, this is the way you will erase all the lines from heart. So now you can see this pencil is ready, one heart, and we simply want to show hands of pencil holding it. Okay? So yes, we will quickly make hands, and for making hands, we will use letter J. J for jug. With numbers, with letters, you will see a complete card would be ready. Okay? So I will return back to my story. So when he was simply throwing, I will show if with a, like as many students, they have not even seen. Yeah, I will show. Okay. So yes, I will show it. So what Gokarna was doing, Gokarna was tying a matki in a row, and he was going, like the responsibility teacher gave was, he was throwing this matki in well, was filling water and dragging. So this end was taking it out and again filling and then dragging it out. So this rope was dragging against the stone. And every time, because he was taking out, then throwing, then dragging, then throwing, then throwing. So this ways continuously this rope was dragging against the stone. Okay. Now, can I check the work with help of practical? And I really want all of you that whenever you visit any village or any religious place, please try to see how well looks. Okay. Yes. Uh, Very good. Very nice. Now you will mark a point here. Like here, the eyes are, just near eyes, and very carefully try to place a point here also. And then you will decide that my hands will come here and then J. So this ways you will decide. To mark a point. When you pre-decide, it helps you a lot. So my hands will start from here and it will reach here. Acha, now what you're going to do? See, you will make a diagonal line, letter J, and this letter J will come out and touch. This is your hand. Okay? See, I will show. First make letter J. Come on, letter J. J for jug. Okay, and what you will do, you will take it out of heart and you will touch to the line of J. Try to keep your both hands of equal size. This is going to be hand, and erase the line which is coming in hand. You will erase line of hand. This is going to be hand of pencil. Okay? It's looking like drop. And this way is our basic structure. Fold is ready. Drawing part is ready. And now we will start with colors. Okay? So first we will give bold outlines. Okay? So come on, let's complete it. So first you will make J. You will make letter J, and then you will connect to the line again. And what you will do, mark a point here, and make one more line. One more line. And this is the way your hand is ready. Okay? Yes. Erase all the lines from hands. And now your drawing of card is ready. Okay? This is the way your front cover page is ready. And when you will open this pencil, it will look like this inside. Okay? And inside you're going to write message. Come on, do this much. I'll check it and then we will switch on to next step. And next step is going to be outline. And for this, I'm going to use my brush pen. Any bold thing you will use. And you will not give outlines here in straight lines. And here you will not give outlines. So you can take your bold sketch pen, you can take your brush pen, anything, and the standing lines of pencil, of body, you will not give outlines. And you will simply outline your eyes, your smile, heart, hand, and the front part. You just see me, how I'm doing. What you will do, I will start giving outlines so that you will understand that where to give outlines and where to not to give. So I will be using bold outlines as this is card, so bold outlines will add on to the beauty. So I will make all lines with brush pens very carefully, especially where you have joined, where two papers are getting joined. Eyebrows, eyes, everything you will make with brush pen. Acha, for making eyes, what you will do, you will simply keep your circles white and you will do black in eyes, completely black. Okay? So do nicely black in eyes right now and use tip of your brush pen and make eyelashes, make smile. I will give outlines only here you will give outlines, okay? The standing lines which we made in body, you will not give outlines there. Okay, you will simply complete heart with outlines, hands with outline. I will complete so that you can see what colors where you need to do. Okay, and eyes with brush pen, very carefully leave two white circles white and fill it nicely black. Okay, yes, only this much you will be doing with help of, yes. Can you see now? It's in front of you. Complete your eyes also. We are going to keep it quite simple, although lots of detailing could be added in eyes, but I will keep it simple. So this is the way you will be keeping it this ways. As this circle is little smaller, so I will make here also little smaller. Okay? This is your final output. Standing lines you will not outline. And because if you will outline that also, then heart, hands, all lines will get merged. Okay, so see, this is in front of you. Just look at carefully. All these standing lines you will not outline. Okay? And this way is the basic structure of your pencil is ready. I prefer giving thick outlines so that each and every line will look very special. If you can see some unwanted marks, you can erase that too and finish second step by giving outlines. Okay, so as this ROD was going and bringing water, and that time in Gurukul, like students used to do farming, they used to irrigate, they used to fill water, they used to grow crops, vegetables, fruits, going to jungle and getting wood, cooking food, waking up early morning, learning, like life used to be very difficult. And now Gokarn was having responsibility of filling water. So in one day, he was getting water so many times. And when he was continuously going to well and throwing matki inside, you know, and then dragging, dragging like this. So this drag, can you see this drag against wall? So what he was able to see that here is a mark, and here is a deep mark on this wall of well. Okay, so he, like the Guruji was also said telling this that revise and you will be able to memorize, but he was not getting it. But now here while filling water, he was able to see that like rope is made of jute. It's something which you can cut with scissors. But stone is considered the most hardest element. But when this rope is continuously like striking over, dragging over that stone, that is able to cut that stone also, is having its impact on stone also. So this make him understand that, yeah, when you do anything consistently, perseverance is very important. Consistently, when you do something, you get success in life. You are able to do anything impossible. Okay. Can I check the work? Will you please lift up files and show? Shabash, very good. Now you will select colors for your, so see, I will switch on to plastic, I will switch on to brush pens, okay? So come on, let's take out colors. So I'm going to use orange for making the front. If you have yellow ochre or some other color, you can try that too. And here with brush pen, I will complete this pointed part also. I will do it black. Okay, this part also I will do black. And use thick paper. And a thin paper will keep folding. And so always thick paper will look there. So I will use orange for making this. Blue you can try for making body. If you want to try some other color, you can definitely go for some other color also. Pink plus pink you will use for making chair. Red I will use for making heart. Okay. Yes, these are colors of our work. Okay, come on. Let's get started. So we completed black. So point is black. All outlines are black. Eyes are going to be black. है ना? And these colors I will use. If you want to use yellow color, yellow orange, and I'm going to use white color of paper as part of color. है ना? But if you feel that with yellow and blue I want to go with, you can make your this colorful also. So chalo, now let's get started. So my very first color is going to be orange. So this part I will do orange. So I will start it from center. Start your coloring from center. And then you will drag, and your dragging will come towards, make sure no white space. Okay, if you feel you want to give outlines first, you can go this way. First give outlines. So start your coloring from center, and then keep dragging, or you can go straight also as you wish, and this side also. Okay, you will do orange color. With brush pen now, you will find bright colors. Make sure no white space should be left. Okay, so very carefully, you can first give outlines and then also you can do. And if you feel that you want to go diagonal and get connected, you can. Otherwise, you can make straight lines also. And with brush pen now, in no time, your coloring will happen. Okay, so see, this is going to be the crown of our pencil. We will use red for making heart, and one blue, one white, blue, white, blue, white. And this is the way we will complete pencil. If you feel that blue, yellow, if you want to go for rainbow colors, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you can try rainbow colors, any color of your choice. And you can, if you want to make dotted, you can. And normally we have stripe. Red, you can, if you're using red here for making stripes, then use some other color for making heart, yellow or some other color. Okay? So chalo, now let's complete heart. So for heart, what I will do, first I will give outlines. And I will take a pause after this. Don't worry. Okay? After making heart, I will take pause. So see very carefully, before doing colors, first you will see that you are going to erase unwanted marks of pencil. Okay? So first we draw and then we outline. So go for standing lines, one direction, and with brush pen you will find bright color. You can make this heart with pink color, yellow color, orange color, multiple colors, anyways. Make sure, but the color of body of this pencil, that color you will not use here. And like I'm going to use blue. So you will not make heart also blue. And otherwise, what will happen? Heart will lose its importance, right? It is very important element in our drawing. And here you can write anything you want to write for your teacher. Okay, so I think the best thing you can write on Teacher's Day is your gratitude. Thank you, teacher, for everything. Red. Hands, we will leave white only. The lines coming in hands, we will erase carefully. And for making body, I will be using blue and I will keep white. But if you feel that you don't want to use white, you want to go for some other color, fluorescent color, you can pink color. Now here it is going to be completely your choice. Okay. Come on. So now you can see slowly this pencil is actually looking like a pencil. है ना? I'll take a pause of 2 minutes so that those who are left behind, they can do this. Okay, so here the card is taking shape. So those who are not like comfortable with scissors, they can keep card this ways only. And those who can use scissors, they can simply cut the corners and give it a look of a pencil. And then this card will look like a pencil. So I will return back to my story. So when Gokarn was filling water, he was able to see that the stone with which the walls of this well was made, and like rope is able to create impression on it, and a continuous dragging. So rope which is made of jute, and a jute is very delicate thing, and stone is hardest, but it is having impression on that stone also as it is dragging on particular place continuously. And this make Gokarn realize for the first time that how important revision is, how important consistency is, how important perseverance is. Okay. And from that moment, he got the words of teacher properly, and he realized that why teacher handed me over this responsibility of filling water so that I can practically I can see it and I can get it. Okay. And from that day onwards, this very weak at studies, Gokarn was determined that I will do revision on regular basis. So after doing all work responsibilities of Gurukul, in a late night he was revising the lessons once, twice, thrice, four times, and until he was not able to get the crux and was able to memorize. And due to this regular revision, which he was doing more than other students, he became the most intelligent person of the ashram. Okay, so with your hard work, anything is possible. Practice makes a man perfect. Okay. So, my dear children, please try to understand that consistency is very important. Okay. Don't think that last moment I will do studies and I will be able to cover up. No, do it on regular basis. Okay. Yes. Now I will take my blue color. Can I check your card? Will you please lift up files and show? 2 minutes pause I took, and hopefully you all must have done. Wow, very good. It's looking so cute. Now decide your colors and what color you want to fill. So I will decide this blue color. I will not go in hands. Hands we will keep white. Okay. So what I can do, I can simply go for outlines first, and then I will fill blue color. Now here you are absolutely free with your colors. Any color you can try. Okay. So I will take blue. And one direction. Brush pens, you don't need to pressurize. Okay? Gently you move in one direction, and after use, immediately close its cap. Okay? You should take good care of your things. And after class, you will wind up everything on your table. It should never be like you leave every. Acha, here one more thing with pink. And a pink color also we took out. Pink, we will add cheeks of this. Here. Okay, come on. Near eyes, you will make it. And it will make our yes, I will do it here also. Make sure very nicely first you give outlines all around and then continue. Okay? With scale we find proper lines, and this is the way you will do. If you feel that you want to fill another color, try to use color which will not hide your face. The blue and yellow you can try. Yellow, orange you could have tried in pencil. Or as I used orange for making the front, I decided I will skip that. So first you will give outlines. Okay, you will move around your eyes, around your hand, and I first try to give outlines very carefully and then fill color. Take care. Good students, good artists, they always take care of their things very nicely, and I like keeping their colors carefully. If you will throw your colors, see, when you will take care of your things, things will take care of yours. You can try it once. You simply throw one of your brush pen like that only, and you will see next time you won't be able to take do work with it because it would be out of order. It will not work. it will be discarded as ink will get dry. So take care of your things nicely. That's why I always keep instructing that after class, you will wind up your things yourself. You can see pencil this ways. If you feel you want to use yellow, you can try yellow or fluorescent orange or some color of this kind, you can try. But try any light color. So this is a beautiful highlighter. I will use this for making another lines. Yellow also could be tried. Okay, come on, do this. So I will use this fluorescent color like it is going in eyebrow. If you feel that eyebrow has become light, and not to worry, you can highlight it again. Hands, you are going to leave white. So see, and on in heart, you will write with help of your mom. Okay? Thank your teacher, love your teacher, best teacher in the world. Have lots of gratitude. You taught me so well. In simple words also, you can write your gratitude for your teacher. Okay? So I'm using this fluorescent color for making lines here. You can leave it white also. Okay? It's completely your choice. If you have little time and you are supposed to complete everything, then start using white as part of your color. Okay? While using this also, you will give outlines first and then you will move in one direction. Always move your brush pen in one direction. First give outlines and then move it in one direction. So here I use this color. Hands I will leave white. Okay, so from this incident which purposely Guruji handed over made Gokern understand that practice will make me perfect. Practice is going to, and he gained, like when he was able to revise work, he started learning things, and the confidence which he lose, he gaining it again. See, this is the way your card is ready. Now, one thing which I told you before, those who are able to handle card, they will keep it like, those are able to handle scissors. They will cut these corners. And those who feel that they are not able to handle scissors, they will keep their card this ways only. Okay, come on, do this. Then we will cut the corners. So what will happen? It will look like a pencil. The complete card will look like a pencil. Okay, so again, I'm reminding you, if you are not comfortable with scissors, skip this part and leave your card like this only. Okay, and if you're comfortable with scissors, we need a very small portion we need to cut. I will show how. And then we will write a message inside, which you can write even after the class. And because you can frame your message according to your teacher's personality. I will be simply writing thank you teacher for everything. Okay? Or thank you teacher. Finish this. 1 minute's pause I will take. Okay? Yeah. So this second color you can do or you can skip. It's completely your choice. You can leave it with blue and white also. And now scissors. Okay, if you're comfortable with scissors, you do this. And leaving this white black outline, you will cut nicely. And here also, that what will happen, your complete card will look like a pencil. Thick outline. Okay, you will give thick outlines. See, now your card is looking like a pencil. Okay. If you don't want to make striped pattern, you can simply make some, like these days, pencils are of very different kinds and beautiful patterns are also made. When I was having this kind of pencil. Okay. See, this is a lovely gray and black color. We can try this also. But let's try some bright colors. And now here you will write love you teacher or anything. Now let's come inside. Come on, come inside. And you can take any color you feel like. Red is color of love. So let's use this color. You can make heart. You can use multiple colors also. And let's first write thank you teacher. So this you will write after the class. Okay. I'm simply when you're writing, suppose you're appearing for a card making competition, make sure that your spelling should be perfect. Okay. Many times your cards, whatever you are writing, because of spelling mistake and grammatical mistake, your entry get disqualified. Okay, you're going to make, and you will simply draw some dots around. Okay, some nice dots you can use, or make sure your dot should be perfectly round. And this message I write here, but you will write it afterwards. Okay, we can simply make this complete, and don't use marker pen here. And I use brush pen only. Marker pen have impression on other page also. है ना? So see this, and use thick paper. Always use thick paper for making it. So can you see this? This is the way you will make some dots, multiple colors you can use, and you will make few dots and try to see that they should be perfectly round. It should not be like many times while reviewing the artwork, I've seen students when I ask them to make dots, they make so many dots, but not tidy. So whatever you're doing, do with patience and make it nicely. And here also your message would be written. And this beautiful Teacher's Day special card is ready. How simple it is, right? But it will help you. Yeah, like few changes also you can make if you feel that you want to make few changes. Heart you can cut and paste in 3D look also. If you want to make it looking more creative. But as you're too young, so I will love to keep it very small. If you're not comfortable with scissors, then don't cut corners. Leave it like that. Then also it is going to look great. If you feel that you don't want to cut, then corners you can fill with black also. Okay? Yes, I'm eagerly waiting to see how it turn up. With small, small creative hands, what magic you created. And you know what? Always, every time your final reveal win my heart. Okay, so now if you have, and what you're going to gift a plant. Okay, you will see in your garden only. So many small tulsi plants, money plants, those who are having snake plants, so baby plants appear many times. If you will go in garden outside, you will see beneath trees, lots of saplings appear. And the lives of these saplings is still this rainy season. After that, they will disappear, they will die. You can adopt a plant from there. You can simply make a planter basket. Beautiful baskets I taught. When I was in school, I taught this in SUPW in each class and told that this time no cards. Gift a plant. Adopt a plant from roadside. You can purchase it from nursery also. And please do share it on social platforms so that others can also get motivated. And what will happen when you will give a life gift? When you will give a life. And a plant is what? Plant is a life. So it is going to remain with your teacher always. When it will bloom, new leaves will come, fruits will come. Suppose you're gifting a plant of a tree. It will become a tree and teacher will remember that child gifted me this and see that it has become a tree. And it is going to give food and shelter to so many creatures also. Okay? And when we make cards, it's okay for your favorite teacher, you can make few cards, but um, plants are always a better option. You know what? When I resigned from my school, I gifted one Belpatra plant to every child. And I'm very happy. They are sharing videos till today that, ma'am, see, your gift is growing so well. So please switch on to this and share this with your friends, your relatives, neighbors, so that they can also switch on to this beautiful gift. Okay. And if you will make a beautiful, presentable planter basket with waste bottle, you will be able to reuse one waste bottle also. And your planter basket with planter basket, your gift of plant will look very presentable. Okay. So please think about it. Okay, let's start a new trend. On your birthday also, start gifting a plant as return gift. Okay, and this ways we will be able to add lots of trees to this planet. I want to say it, all of you, come on, lift up your beautiful card. I will start with clappings. All of you, show your card, then you can continue your work. Wow, it's looking so beautiful, so outstanding, and so amazing. Very neat and very perfect. So come on, let's go for clappings. So excellent clappings for you. 9 clappings and excellent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And besides this for coloring, 5 clappings. Full 5 marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you got 3 star clappings. Drawing, coloring and cutting. 1, 2, 3. Congratulations. You can write anything inside and your lovely card is ready. If you like today's session, today's card, today's story, show me your thumbs up with Buddy Wali smile. Yes, okay, and start collecting plants. You can collect kullad also, that earthen pot which normally you get for drinking lassi. This kind of planters also could be used for gifting a plant. Take care, bye bye, lots of blessings.